Genesis, welcome back to my channel. So today, or not today, this is actually the day after I came back, but I went camping with my brother and my dad and a whole bunch of family and friends. It was really fun. So basically this was just like a little vlog about it. So yeah, I did get my nails done. And yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. And yeah, enjoy the video and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
Yo, we camp ready, right? We camp ready, right?
Yeah.
You too, Janisha. Are you camp ready? You weird. Hey, Jen, are we gonna have an awesome weekend or what?
Mm-hmm.
Are we? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you? How excited?
Campground.
Yeah.
You gotta teach your daughters and your sons how to survive without a house.
This is survival, right?
Mm-hmm. Out in the wilderness.
You guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. And yeah, until next time, Genesis World, bye!